Hi, welcome back. It's been a little while and it's been slow progress, but there's been good progress at the front of the bike, at the back of the bike, and getting the whole plot working properly. Now, at the front of the bike I've been focusing on trying to get the electrics working. The indicators were giving me all sorts of problems because I just couldn't get them to work, and all the readings I took from it just didn't seem to make sense. I mapped out the switch, draw a grid showing what the switches are, showing what the colours are, and then just use a multimeter to tie them all together, and you'll quickly see what colours of wires or what wires work which switches. Unfortunately, the indicators just refuse to work. The dashboard light connects the left and the right circuits together. Now, to be honest, I don't see how this can be right, because any power going to the dashboard light is also going to go to left and right together. So I took out that bulb, and sure enough, it all works fine. Well, once I replaced the indicator solenoid. At the back of the bike, I know where the mud guard's going to go. Executive decision deciding how that's going to go. Now, you might hope that, buying a rear light switch off the shelf, you just be able to bolt it on, plug it in, and away you go. Oh no. It all had to come apart, and it all had to be drilled, and it all had to be remounted and re-engineered. So that's now all good to go then. Also, this is very exciting, I've got the funkiest exhaust. Just check out this. Isn't that delicious? Today's job is actually to take the subframe off and trim off all the bits which I don't think I need. This is always a bit worrying because you're cutting bits off the bike and it's much harder to put stuff back on than it is to take it off. However, I've got faith, I've got confidence. As you can see, the bike is now going back together. The rear subframe has been attacked with an angle grinder, then hit with some paint, and is now back on there. It's all looking a little bit neater. The rear mudguard is in place, but at the moment only held in place with a what do we call it? One of them things. The rack's in place, as is the rear light. The rack's had a little bit of surgery to remove the lip that was here. The rear light's looking quite nice. The best of all, the exhaust is in place. Now, when I say the exhaust is in place, it's just bolted on there. The exhaust still needs to have a link pipe made up, but I'll see if I can find a local garage that can do something. It is going to mean taking the header off and chopping that off. But yeah, that's all looking right. That's all looking pretty good.